If your skin barrier feels compromised, flaky, or just a little off, this is the recovery serum your skin has been waiting for. Healing, hydration, and glow restoring all in one lightweight formula. Hi, I'm Samantha Garcia, a licensed esthetician in Pembroke Pines, Florida. Whether I'm treating sensitized skin post-facial or helping clients build a soothing daily ritual, the Squalane Pro Healing Plant Medicine Serum from Herbal Skin Solutions is always in rotation. It's one of those products that brings the skin back to balance and fast. This serum is packed with healing, anti-inflammatory ingredients that go beyond hydration. It features plant-based squalene, aloe, gotu kola, and a proprietary botanical blend that restores the skin's protective barrier, boosts collagen, and calms irritation. It's especially beneficial for dry, red, or post-procedure skin, but truly it's safe and supportive for all skin types. The texture is silky and lightweight, absorbing quickly to lock in moisture while delivering long-lasting softness and a luminous, dewy finish without any heaviness or residue. This serum was shown to improve hydration, promote collagen synthesis, and strengthen the connection between skin layers by increasing alpha-2 integrins, basically helping your skin rebuild from the inside out. It also contains a botanical blend featuring date seed extract, which was shown to decrease redness by 35%, improve skin tone by 46%, and reduce dark circles by 31%. So not only does it heal, it visibly improves the skin's clarity, glow, and evenness. For estheticians, I apply this post-microneedling, post-peel, or anytime the skin needs a cooling, barrier repairing step. It's also great layered under moisturizer or sheet mask for hydration recovery. At home, press 2 to 3 pumps into freshly cleansed skin morning and night. You can use it solo or cocktail it with your other favorites. One of my favorite blends is mixing 1 pump with Herbal Skin Solutions EGF Cellular Activator and Vitamin C Plus Enhancement Serum. It's the ultimate anti-aging and brightening combo. Whether you're using it after a treatment or just giving your skin a daily boost, this serum brings calm, strength, and radiance. The Squalane Pro Healing Plant Medicine Serum is the kind of product you reach for when your skin is crying out for healing, and keep using because of how soft, hydrated, and healthy it makes your skin feel every day. When your skin needs to recover and glow, this is your plant-powered superhero.